If you don't want to look like this, then you need this off spray. This off deep woods long-lasting protection is a must if you live on the boat, if you're camping, if you're going hiking. Those bugs like to bite at sunrise, a sunset. I got a ton of bites one day. We were sitting in the sand watching the waves for not very long, and then we walked through a little pathway, and the next morning I woke up with 92 bites all over my legs and my back. Had I used this, I wouldn't have had them. So I started using this, and since when I remember to put this on, I do not wake up with bites all over my body. You just spray it on, and then I like to rub it in to make sure I cover every single bit of skin that's exposed. And remember to also spray it onto your clothing, because they will bite through clothing. Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.